So, my thoughts on the current real estate market. It's a little bit weird. I don't think it's been this way for quite a long time. You got a problem of expectations that real estate prices are going to go up, which I think is not going to be the case. They're going to go down. You've got high carrying costs in terms of if you're buying, your interest rates are going to be higher. If you own a home, it's going to be harder to think about selling because you've got probably a pretty good interest rate on your existing mortgage. Um, and your internal costs are going up. Your insurance costs have got to go up. Um, so there's many factors, and if you're intent on moving, um, look around a little bit. Decide what you want, what areas you want to be in, and if you connect with me, we can look together. I can put you on an alert, let you know what's going on, do a market analysis. There's a lot of tools that I have at my disposal that you may not have access to. And I'm happy to share those tools and do a little research with you. So my advice to everyone is to stay stay focused. If you know you want something, you might wait a little while and the price will come down, or you may get lucky and find somebody that's really very desperate to sell, and you can make a good deal now. The other way of looking at it is if you're a seller, um, how long do you want to wait before you make a decision? In our case, condo fees have risen from $500 a month maybe 5 years ago to now it's about $1,100 a month. Just where we live in Schooner Oaks in Stuart, Florida, I think we have 8 units for sale now out of a total of 86. So it's about 10% of the units, which is high. And they haven't sold. There's one that is selling off the market. Um, and the prices range from around three something, 350 to almost $1 million. The $1 million listing is right on the water. It's a beautiful place, and probably well worth it because you can't go on the water for $1 million anywhere. It's a bargain. The best thing is what the Boy Scouts always said: be prepared. What does that mean? Well, maybe you can get a pre-qualification letter from a lender. I'm happy to help you with that. Um, Make sure you've got enough cash laying around that you can put down a sizable deposit if something comes along quickly. Um, and sort of get your head in order. Try to figure out what you might be interested in. If you can find a particular location you're interested in, we can do zero in on that. Um, but again, my thoughts on the market: I'd probably wait a little bit, but you may see real bargains coming up with people that have to sell for whatever reason. They're moving, they whatever, um, and those are the kinds of opportunities you don't want to miss. So it's Johnny, your change agent, going through lots of changes now, and hopefully things will improve in the future. I definitely think so. And I wish everyone a happy holiday season. And if I don't see you earlier, I'll see you next year. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah. Hasta luego.